What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nia and I am super excited for today's video because I am finally getting my new bed delivered. I had some issues with the delivery from Macy's and had to completely return that bed, but the new one is getting delivered today. So today's video is really all about prepping and putting my room together. I got Riley's room together for the most part, but until I get a new bed and get my room set up, we really weren't able to fully move in here, and I am so excited to just finally be able to sleep in our new apartment. The new bed was delivered late last night, so I really didn't get a chance to put my mattress on. So that's basically what I'm focusing on today, putting the mattress on, putting the bedding and all of that stuff, and getting my room put together.
All the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. The traveling kind, it's a known fact.
All right, guys, so to give you guys a bit of an update, I think it's probably going to be a previous video. I honestly have just been recording as much as possible, but the old bed from Macy's, they gave me the wrong parts. So the legs of the headboard, they gave me two left pieces instead of a left and a right. When I called them numerous times, they basically ended up telling me right now the bed is actually on back order for another 2 to 3 months. And honestly, I just cannot wait that long. I loved that bed, but you know what? It is what it is. So I scheduled a return yesterday, and then I bought this bed off of Raymore and Flanagan, which was cheaper, and they delivered it within 2 days. So I will have this one linked down below in case you guys are looking for a bed. This is a queen size. I want to say it was $250, $300, so very inexpensive. And then I got a 12-inch memory foam bed in a box from Amazon. It's the same exact bed that I have for Riley's room, but I got a 6-inch one for her, and clearly in a twin size. So my older sister has this exact bed and she loves it, and I want to say the reviews were about 125,000 people had reviewed it, and it got 4.5 stars. So I'm excited to sleep on it, get comfy, and all of that kind of stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna give this mattress just a little bit of time to fully open up, air out, all of that kind of stuff. Because if you guys have ever gotten a bed in a box, it does take a little bit of time for it to really just be its full potential, if that makes sense. And then I'll come in here. I already bought some sheets and I have pillows, so I'll put that on the bed as well. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I really like it. I just wanted a nice neutral bed. I do like that it has a little bit of detailing here. And I was even thinking about putting peel and stick wallpaper on this wall. I'm still kind of thinking about it. I found one that I liked, but I wasn't sure if I wanted against this wall or if I wanted to do against the shorter wall, but we'll see how everything looks. So I'll come back in about an hour or two after letting this fully open up, air out, and all that stuff. put the sheets on the bed, and then I also wanted to put my dresser in here. I still have to put together the drawer, so we'll do that together as well. So I had a little bit of a break from work, and I let the mattress sit out for about an hour or two, and now it's time to just put all of the bedding on. I had honestly just picked up this bedding from Target. I think it was like the college collection, so it was about $20, nothing special. I really just wanted to move in as quickly as possible, and I can't believe how much money is going out just trying to get new furniture and all of that stuff. So any place I can save, that's where I'm trying to do so. I don't need the fancy linens and all of that kind of stuff. Maybe eventually, but for now, I literally just want to make this place feel like a home.
But I'm thinking about the way you make me grounded. Thinking about the way you used to hold me like a stone in the water, singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over. Forget what I said, just come on over. I know you wanna try, give me that space. I know you wanna find another reason. I know you wanna lie, making me stay. But let's talk. Are you at the avenue? I don't need nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking about the way you make me grounded. Thinking about the way you used to hold me like a stone in the water, singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over. Forget what I said, just come on over. I don't need nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking about the way you make me grounded. Thinking about the way you used to hold me like a stone in the water, singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over. Forget what I said, just come on over. Forget what I said, just come on over. Between concrete walls, there's a place for us where we could go, where we could be alone. Between city lights, we don't have to hide. I wanna go, do you wanna follow? There's something in
A couple of days ago, my mom helped me put my dresser together, and now it's time to put it actually in this corner. I wasn't quite sure if it was going to fit, but I measured everything and it fit perfectly. It was a little bit of a struggle trying to get it to be turned around the right way, but I was able to get everything put in there, and now it's time to put all of the drawers together.
Do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know. it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow?
The closet space here is very tiny, especially compared to what I used to have. So going out and getting a dresser was super important because honestly, with all the clothes that I have, there was no way I was going to fit all of that in the closet.
Do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow? We break up and you slam the door.
I decided to go with the larger mom dresser from IKEA. They have so many different varieties of this one, and I also decided to go with the oak rather than the white because I figured the white of the bed was just going to be a little bit too much of like white on white on white. So I went with the oak color and I absolutely love it.
Keep telling myself that I should move on, but I don't. 'Cause we got that mad love. We got that sad love. We got that fun love. We got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. 'Cause we got that mad love. We got that sad love. We got that fun love. We got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. We got that. Kiss me and the world disappears. Tell me the things that I wanna hear. I just wanna stay right here. You push me out, but I come back. That attraction, I can't fight that. Oh, keep telling myself that I should let go, but I hold on. And oh, keep telling myself that I should move on, but I don't. 'Cause we got that mad love. We got that sad love. We got that fun love. We got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. 'Cause we got that mad love. We got that sad love. We got that fun love. We got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. We got that love. We got that. 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 We got that
I decided to put the rest of the drawers together off camera, and it is actually the next day, and now it's time to put all of my clothes in there. I literally just started throwing all of my clothes into these bins just to get things over here. I have no plan when it came to actually packing, so I'm going through everything, just trying to organize things and figure out how I want each dresser drawer to be. I was almost thinking that this top drawer would be all of my gym clothes and all of those type of things, because I definitely want to make taking care of myself from a physical standpoint a priority, along with other things as well. So I want to make sure that that is definitely a top dresser, so that I will go to the gym, be active, and take care of myself. To fold everything, I went with the KonMari file method. I absolutely love this method. I feel like it's the best way to get as much stuff in a drawer as possible, while also making sure that it stays neat and you're able to actually see everything. So I'm going in and doing all of my jeans. Before, I was able to hang my jeans in the closet, but unfortunately that's definitely something I'm not going to be able to do here, which is completely fine.
Wake up at your place, wake up at mine. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together?
I completely forgot to show you guys the finished look, but I definitely had way more clothes that I needed to still fold and put away. So in my next video, I will show you guys what this entire dresser looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys right back here with another video. Bye.